even if it is lower house. Now next to feature of Indian Constitution, that is single citizenship. Citizenship articles from 5 to 11. These articles are in second part of Constitution. Second part of Constitution. In first part 1 to 4 articles there, Indian Union. In second part 5 to 11 articles there. These articles explain just only citizenship. Okay. In India, as per Constitution, we having only single citizenship. Our Constitution gives only single citizenship. Okay. The single citizenship name is known as Indian citizenship. Okay. Country citizenship. We don't have state citizenship. Right? Indian citizenship, state citizenship. Okay. Up to 2019, dual citizenship was in Jammu Kashmir state. Since 2019, the Jammu Kashmir people having only country citizenship, they lost Jammu Kashmir state citizenship in the year of 2019. Okay. Next one, another one, 2019. In America, dual citizenship is in America. One is country citizenship, second one is state citizenship. Okay. In India, the people classified into two types. One is citizens, second one is alliance. పౌరులు విదేశీయులు అనేసి రెండు రకాలుగా ఉంటారు. ఓకే. citizens and alliance. So in India, the people is classified into two types. One is citizens, second one is alliance. Irrespective of caste, language, religion, gender, Constitution gives citizenship to one and all. Okay. The citizens have political rights. Citizens have political rights. Second one, not only political rights, the citizens having fundamental rights also. Okay. Next, fundamental rights also. Next one, another one. Citizenship is one of the subject of union list. So that present union list subjects are 98. Okay. Out of them, citizenship is one. Parliament has the power make the laws on the subject of citizenship. Right? Another one. Next one. Government, according to Indian Citizenship Act 1955, government gives citizenship to the people, and government has the power cancel citizenship. Okay, so this is single citizenship. We don't have state citizenship in India. We have only country citizenship in our